Creating a Blogger account allows you to start a blog, customize it, and publish content. Here's how to set it up. Sign in with Google account. Go to the Blogger website. You need a Google account to use Blogger. If you don't have one, create it by going to Google account and following the prompts. Create a new blog. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the Blogger dashboard. Click on Create New Blog. A pop-up window will appear asking for blog name. Choose a name for your blog that represents its theme or content. Blog address. Choose a unique URL. If the address is taken, Blogger will suggest alternatives. Theme. Select a design template for your blog. You can change this later. Customize your blog. After creating the blog, you'll be directed to your blog's dashboard. Click on Theme to customize the look of your blog by changing colors, fonts, and layout. You can also add pages, gadgets, and configure settings. Start posting. Click on New Post to start creating and publishing your content.